Ate, wala nag-on.
Lateros to Arong. Arong to Arong brothers. Daniel Boy cash in. Nakatupil na baka ni siya. Wala niya pero yahagapon. To JR. JR fakes. Layup is good. Layup is good for Daniel Correa. Tagalog to Marzuk. Again, 12 seconds, shot clock, Cole, wide open for three. Three-pointers, good, Kenneth Cole. Caper. Again, score 49-32. JR fake, drive. Block by Ventura. Pero nakuha ni Caper. Caper layup is good. Cole dribbling the ball, pass to Marzuk. Marzuk to Tagalog, no hesitation, three, wala. Rebound by Plateros. Plateros, nagitag kapasahan. Ako na lang. Rebound, ay, kasi to Arong, to Disang, Boy cash in. Boy cash in, wala, out of bounds. Mula sa MJC Medical Supply. Again, 6 minutes remaining for a third quarter. 29 Marzuk, steal by number 29 Foot. Number 29. Gilahos drop pass to Caper. And out of bounds. Turnover. Ventura to Marzuk. Marzuk. To Kenneth, extra pass. Wide open for three. Wala. Rebound by Jehar. Face again. But there's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Foul 3-4. 14. 3-4. First personal foul, first team foul. No. Giruan, kung gusto yung kami kontra, maduwa ka. First throw, no good. Second throw for Plateros. Second throw, no good again. Rebound by Marzuk. Marzuk spin. Behind the back. Wala. Marzuk to Ventura. Ventura behind the back. Strong move. Wala. Top flip ko niya. Plateros to Arong. To Plateros. And good for two. Shot. Again, score 36-49. Kenneth fakes. Kenneth to Marzuk. Marzuk to Ventura. Back to Marzuk. Marzuk scanning the floor. Uses the screen. Marzuk drop pass. Wala. JJ steal by Marzuk. Oh, ay! Hinay lang yan. Who's foul? Ref. Foul number 3. First personal foul, first team foul.
Ben, dapat taugma.
Ventura, steal by Arong. 29, dribbling the ball, coast to coast. Easy 2 points by number 29. Again, our score 38-49, 11-point lead for MJC Medical Supply. Cole, Tagalog to Ventura, Cole, extra pass to Tagalog, corner 3, no good, out of bounds, Bula sa Sin City. Bula sa Sin, kulbaan, tambok na,
Kaya yung sambaga, ref.
Ken, inbound, Marzuk, wala. Number 29, pass. Steal by number 29. Number 3 to number 2. Good for 2.
Brother.
Oras, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. 40-49, Ventura. Team Sin City. Labaw, Raglan Sing. Team MJC. Oh! Wala ba? Gcash. Wow, game. Number 29, hesitates, smiles, Plateros. 15 seconds, shot clock, Arong, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Daniel. To Dumandan to Daniel. Fires for three. It's gonna be out of bounds. MJC ball. There you go. Up with his
Good.
2 minutes remaining. Tagalog. Then, quarter 3. 3-pointer is good. Nebet goal. Oh, yes, in the big dynamics.
Di ba, Nicky? Subscribe ko
Number
sa
12, Dumandan. Again,
Mga plastic.
14-point lead. Daniel, 3-pointer is good. Marzok dribbling the ball to
Agoy!
Miscommunication out of bounds.
Lamat si bro.
Bulas sa team, Sin City. Again, 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Number 29, strong move. Layup no good, rebound by Arong. Arong to Dumandan. Dumandan, fake, drive, shot pass to Plateros, fakes, 8-second shot clock to Daniel.
Bogs.
Wala. Marzok, long pass to Tagalog.
Agoy!
Tagalog stop, layup.
Ay, salamat.
2 points. 56-43, 50 seconds remaining.
Ayaw ba?
Third quarter. Dumandan, long pass to Daniel wide open for 3.
Yes!
Nagamay. Natubil ginahin siya. Napuray labaw, Team MJC. 29 seconds remaining. Marzok. Blind pass to Ventura, extra pass to Tagalog, corner 3, no good, but there's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Foul number 16, 3. Second personal foul.
Klaro na mo eh.
Foul, second team foul.
Kaon. Iyo, tagi kaon.
Tulo. First row, no good. Oh, kami kontra, sunod. Kami.
Kaon kay tag. Mo ni.
Second row, no good again.
Pala.
kaon kay tagpuan da.
Kaon kay tag kuan. Kana ka.
Third row is good. That's Lazal. Lazal, number 10. Martin, number 10. 4. Delay of the game. Third.
Ah, ngita na dumi.
12 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining, Mark. Mark, 5 seconds remaining to Daniel. Daniel wide open for the last shot. And that's the end of the third quarter. Again, 57-46.
Big boss.
Boy.
Book.
Back to the ball game to the back. Boogie boy to Air Tagalog, to Tagalog.
Uy!
Tagalog
Rebound by
Puro Tagalog.
Mula sa Sin City.
Related sila. Gagaw.
Nene ma ato na ay gusto ko.
Good job, Dumandan to 16, number 16, fires, 4-3, nagbabaga si Torres, kanong inyong gipatubilan. Again, score 49-57, 8-point lead, Ogiboy, Tingmals, Tagalog, Gihansa, wala, Sakuragi din na siya guys, si 16, number 29, and good for 2.
Hey!
Unom na lang ang labaw. Team MJC.
Opos gumoy ra bisla.
Ogie Boy, aka Tingmals Aka. Number 14. Ogie Boy, drop pass to Caballero.
Uy!
But there's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Foul number?
Hola, wa na yayay na.
Third personal foul number 3. First team foul.
Pwede pa shot out pwede. Shot out pwede.
Tagalog finds Tagalog, corner 3.
Pwede mo overhit.
Rebound by Tagalog. Tagalog crossover to Ogie Boy. Campanya.
Boom! Ay, di.
Wala. Rebound by Tagalog. Wala.
Oy!
Rebound by Caballero. But
Sa libre.
same ball. Same ball.
Grabe, kalimot yun.
Rivera to Tagalog. 10 seconds shot clock. Rivera. Strong move. Wala. Rivera. Naging nag-foul. It's good. 16 Torrijas. To Arong. Arong. Scanning for Arong. Arong. Finds Dumandan. 10 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds shot clock. Dumandan. Higit nagpaagi. But there's a foul. Blocking foul. Number 23. First personal foul, first team foul. Labaw to, 51-57. Daniel Niel,
Wala para
Mark.
wala yan next game.
Mark, the keeper.
Tiwas naman eh.
Number 12, drives. Kick out to number 3, fakes, jump shot, no good. Kampanya
Hey!
Lulo.
59-51 on the score. Under 5 minutes and 33 seconds.
Hey, sus.
There's a foul. Who's foul? Ref foul number 18. First personal foul, second team foul, 3 shots.
Abdul. Dong. Abang ni Daniel ba? Kuha bola.
First throw is good.
Pildi pa rin sila oh.
Hoy, Divek, patapang
Hindi
Divek.
pa rin sila.
Sabagi tao rin yung Divek. Kaya gibugatan. Second throw, good.
Bro, tigulo ni Big.
Grabe si Boy cash in. Nakatupil o 150 premium. Third throw is good.
Hey!
Hindi masipyat, basta matubilan. Tsaday. Stock is good ba? 5 na lain, labaw. Team MJC, Ogie Boy, fake pass to Marzuk. Marzuk, extra pass na Tagalog. Foul. Wala. Who's foul, ref? Foul number 29. First personal foul, second team foul. First throw for Tagalog is good.
Email kadlawon sa.
Huwag ka mo-appeal na mo.
Second
Ako
throw.
email eh. Lagi ako cellphone.
Second throw good for Air Tagalog. Again, 5 minutes remaining for fourth and last quarter.
Mama, paano mo na sa'yo sila ting?
Bring the ball.
Tulo na biya akong cellphone.
Dumandan.
Cellphone na problema na.
Finds
Lagi
Caper.
ako cellphone eh.
Caper fakes. Drives.
Uy! Walay call!
But no foul. And Tagalog. Nagpapalalit. Good for 2. Air Tagalog. Patay!
Agoy!
Abdul no good. Nakuha ni Air Tagalog. Yan.
Hala!
Grabe si Sakuragi. Nilabasan pa ng dimple ni Idol. Grabe ka, number 16. Number 29, drive. What a move. Number 29, but there's a foul. Foul number 18. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Grabe ka, Idol.
Paningot ng mga tao.
Napapaul ba?
First throw, no good. Grabe si Air Tagalog. Nag-selfie pa sa ere doon ah. Shout out to our star player now, Boga. Number 0, Cray. Joshua Ray Cradle. Ogie Boy! What a move! By Flame Boga!
Kakaatang.
Kung hindi lang na-injury si Safi Nasana, Slim Boga. Grabe! Time out, Team Sin City. Pasingo, 2 minutes ba niya? 2 minutes game. Come on. Alibra. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Number 12, pass to Caper. Caper drives. Wala. Ilan siya. Ogie Boy na naman. Ogie Boy, good for 2. Grabe Ogie si Ogie.
Pare, kulor ka na.
Liskak. Dumandan stop. Extra pass. Fake. But there's a foul. Basket is good. Substitution and out in. Who's foul? Rim. Foul 3. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ay, paghukos po.
Book. Ay.
Bonus throw, no good. Rebound by Ventura. Ventura to Credo. Credo to Air Tagalog. Air Tagalog. Extra pass to goal. Wide open for
Hey!
Three-quarter is good by Kevin Vasquez. Kinik Kulay. Number 12, Dumandan again, score 72-56. Dumandan fires, wala. Rebound by number 29. Two-pointer. That is good. Abdul Marzo. Finds goal again. Quarter 3 again. Pikas na po.
Uy!
Grabe. Halimaw sa court. Halimaw din sa kama. Number 10.
Agoy.
Number 12. Dumandan.
Kaya man.
Fires for 3.
Bogs!
Answers right back. Number 12, Dumandan. Score 3 minutes. Score 61-75. Time 3 minutes remaining. Abdul blind pass again to number 3-4. From Balamban represent Ventura. Number 12, Dumandan. Fake bumps. Shoots, wala. Mailad sila kay pare-parehas like Gypsy. Number 21, zuk. Gipasa niya sa Kurangi, pero wala. Number 29. Drive. Layup is good. Jomeli pa nga. Number 10. Cole. Napasigang Cole.
Hey!
Iyahan na din show. Nagsugod naman sigit sa inside.
Uy, kita kay ka.
Dol, one inch dol.
Baga, nagkakaw nga. Number 16. 5K points.
Look.
So may career chip. Tuloy na ka. Marzuk. 5 Tagalog. Siya po daw. Wala. Rebound by Dumandan. 2 minutes remaining. Number 29. Fake. Shoots. Wala. Fake again. Shoots again. There's a foul. Basket is counted. Foul number 16. Second personal foul penalty. Bonus throw for number 29.
Book. Isa ka ba nila? Sila butoy. Sila ka to. One. Kana, magkano to? Team Pulsor ba? Ay. Buang ko, may duwa ron eh. Ay, lang ko. Duro, laginit. Laginit duro.
Good. Ano bounce mula sa Sin City.
Ato kontra lang ako. Bugi na, pwede balik ko niya mo.
Dumandan dribbling the ball.
Kailan, wala kalaban,
20
inabot
second
ko eh.
shot clock. Dumandan fakes. To Daniel,
Wala kalaban na.
cash in. Arong, fake. To Plateros, drives. Layup is good. Lance to Sakuragi. Again, 1 minute remaining. Tagalog, Akusat B. Wala. Rebound by Arong. 1 minute remaining for fourth and last quarter. Next game, MJC Medical Supply and Power Pump Boys.
One inch dol. Dol, one inch dol.
Ang damay yung pulo ng mga first place natin. Asali. Marzo, dribbling the ball. 12 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Marzo, 1-on-1 with number 3. Dumandan. Fires for 3. Wala. Keeper. Basket is good. 9-point lead dropped in MJC. 20 seconds remaining. Break. Finds Goal. Fake. Goal. To Marzuk again. Ventura. Goal. Quarter 3. Good.
Hey! What the fuck?
Yeah, okay. Naka 100% kung ano yung 3-point shooting.
100%.
And congratulations, MJC Medical Supply, both teams, Sanche.